Engraving rings with precision and personalisation has never been easier. The Magic E7 engraving machine could be your new go-to for stunning, professional quality engravings. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from setting up your engraving template to running the machine for flawless results. First, measure the inside diameter of the ring using a digital vernier. Once you've got that measurement, create a new template in the software. Select ring from the templates and enter the correct diameter. When you're ready, hit OK to lock it in. Time to add your custom text. Click on Insert and then select Text. Type in your engraving, whether it's initials, a special date, or a meaningful message. Adjust the font and size to your liking, and don't forget to center the text using the Center in Page button at the top. Highlight the text and select the Single Line Toolpath option from the top. Enter the engraving details such as the tool type, Z clearance, and depth. Then click Create Toolpath. You're one step closer to seeing your design come to life. Select Device and Magic E7 button and ensure it's set to the right engraving area, either inside ring mode or outside. When you're set, let's move on to setting up the machine. Switch the machine to inside ring mode by removing the platform. Next, secure the ring in the vise. Head back to the computer and press Start Engraving to send it to the machine and set the boundary mode with the arrows. Press the green button at the bottom of the machine. Now the E7 is ready to engrave. And there you have it, your beautifully engraved ring is complete. With the Magic E7 engraving machine, engraving intricate designs on rings has never been this seamless. Whether you're adding text, logos, or custom designs, this machine delivers precision and efficiency, taking your jewellery making skills to the next level.